Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a really simple gift idea for a teacher. I've already begun working on my Christmas craft gifts, and I'm not going to show you how I put this together because it's the same format that I used for the Santa Baby Traveler's Notebook DIY. But I am going to show you a flip through. I ended up using, because honestly I did film how I made this, but I'm like, why am I showing you how to do the same type of notebooks over and over? So I'm just going to do the flip through. I ended up using the Echo Park, what is this collection called? Back to School. And I'm gonna just show you really quick. This isn't our project, but it's gonna go along together. So same style, ended up making a pocket here, added a few extra journaling cards in here. The first notebook is a lot smaller, as you can see, or a lot thinner I should say, and not as wide. It's just a little journaling paper, so that quick small notes. I've already decorated with a few stickers in certain pages here and there, just random non-selected pages. The second insert is this black one right here, and I followed the same, you guys, just watercolor paper. I think it's 90 pound, and then just added a few sheets, a few stickers, different accents, and that's going to be the second insert. The third one is this one right here. This is really pretty paper. This one right here, same, just white, a few of the paper that came with the collection. Last page, and then the final insert. And that's it. And then in the back there's a few more journaling cards in there, and that's gonna be for the Traveler's Notebook. Now I only had enough to do one. I don't know, well, one and then all the inserts. So I didn't have much of the leftover, but I did have leftover. So I have my leftover here. We'll be using it in a little bit. Right here, as you guys can see. But I want to start out our project by using, and you guys have seen the stamp because I've had it before, or I think I've used it in a video before. It's by reverse something. Configuration? No, I have no idea. I'll link it down below. And the stamp set is called All Apples. So I'm going to be stamping basically a lot of apples. I'm going to be using the Real Red ink from Stampin' Up and the Gumball green. And like I said, I'm just gonna keep stamping away. Let me do, oh, I hate that the leaves are separated, because I'll have to mess with them and find there's the right size. So I'll start with the red ones, and it's just like little messages for the teachers. They have just different kinds. It takes a big heart to shape little minds. You're a class act. The ABC. Thanks for a great year. For a special teacher. So, like I said, we're just gonna be stamping away here. Maybe a few, because my son is in middle school, and of course we know that they just don't get one teacher anymore. They get 6. So just making sure I have enough ink. you guys, why aren't you telling me that I'm not even leaving enough room for the, you know what, for the leaves? You know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna stamp the leaves, and I'm gonna have to do them individually. Why didn't you guys tell me? I know somebody's watching like, hey, you're forgetting the space for the leaves. So we'll make sure we do it better here. I went to Staples and I got a pack of my sticky notes. And that is what we're basically going to be doing for our teachers. Okay, so now I'm gonna fussy cut. Oh, where's my fussy cutting scissors? These are like my favorite scissors for fussy cutting. Really quickly, and I'm just gonna show you what we're doing once I fussy cut at least this one, okay? And then the other ones I'll probably speed up, but or you could just leave the video here, or maybe nah, it'll be the same idea. So I'll probably just maybe show one or two, and then okay, so that's the first one. Let me cut another one really quick and clean up a little bit. I don't know why I always end up with a mess, even if I try my hardest to stay clean. Does that happen to any of you? Because it sure happens to me. Maybe I'm just messy and I'm in denial about it. I don't know. My kitchen table always end. I told you guys I lost my scoring tool, right? In the kitchen table. I probably threw it out when I was throwing away my little scrap paper. But I'm like thinking you would have felt it. So I don't know how I ended up not having it. Okay, so I've cut two for now. Okay, let me just put that away. I'm gonna set those aside right here. I'm gonna bring my Big Shot, and I'm going to be using this die cut that I have. Is from Sizzix. It's called Notepad Cover, and I am going to sure I line them up, although let me cut it smaller. So one, I don't need this extra line, so I'm gonna, it's just my hand, I mean not my hand, well I am using my hand, but I'm just going to use, okay, let's see. I thought I had a template. Okay, I'm gonna just be careful lining it up because I don't need the extra. And then run it through. There's our sample. And then I don't know if you guys could tell, but it automatically makes some score lines for you. So whichever side you decide to use, we're gonna, well, let's use this one. You can use your fingers just to bend it. Where's the other score line? Right here. And then third one. Okay, so now for here, like I said, I went to Staples and I picked up these little sticky notepads. So I'm gonna flip it over and I'm going to put a strip on this row. I'm almost done with this row, so I'm trying to finish it up. 2 strips of here on the very last. And then I'm going to line it up as best as I can. Okay, and it has this little like pointy thing, which is the one that you put in there. So that's gonna be added to the gift, and we just put an apple there. And we're gonna make it a foamy, not a foamy, an apple that stands up. That stands up. How are you gonna get an apple that stands up? But a little apple decor, and then just slide it back in there. And that, along with this, is going to be the teacher's craft DIY. Something simple, something that it's obviously handmade, because we all know times are hard and maybe we don't have money to be buying gifts for teachers, you know. So this is just a little simple DIY. I think that would be so super cute, and you can always decorate it even further if you want to, and continue to do it with all the other paper. I mean, I'm gonna be making some a few. Here is another one with leftover paper as well, and you could just stick it and then put the little foam. You want to put the foam like at the corner, you know what I mean, like this part right here, so that you still have room to put it in there, but the apple sort of sits in the center. And you could put another one if it's a little wobbly, which mine is. So, and do that, and now you have a little neat, I think, teacher's gift idea that could go along with your little traveler's notebook. So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.